the ultimate CherryBetty clothing reviews tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're looking to elevate your wardrobe, most people get this wrong by buying trendy items without checking quality or fit. The surprising truth about CherryBetty clothing is that it combines style, comfort, and affordability with detailed sizing and customer feedback to help you make the best choices. First, explore the collection online. You won't believe how easy it is to filter by size, style, and occasion. Take your time to browse categories and check fabric details for each item. Next, read customer reviews carefully. Most people get this wrong by ignoring them. CherryBetty provides honest feedback on fit, material, and color accuracy, helping you avoid sizing or quality surprises. Check return and exchange policies. The surprising truth is that having flexible options matters. CherryBetty offers simple returns and exchanges, giving you confidence when trying new styles. Pay attention to care instructions. You won't believe how often buyers overlook this. Following recommended washing and handling ensures longevity and keeps fabrics looking fresh. In conclusion, CherryBetty clothing can take you from 0 to pro in building a stylish wardrobe. By browsing thoughtfully, reading reviews, understanding returns, and following care instructions, you'll make smart purchases that combine fashion, comfort, and durability effortlessly.